Introducing the 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross, a compact crossover that combines stylish design with urban functionality. Perfect for city driving, it's ready to take you anywhere with ease. LED projector headlights enhance visibility and safety, plus 18-inch alloy wheels offer a sleek and dynamic look. Both features make every journey more enjoyable. Step inside with DAB digital radio for crisp audio, while light blue ambient lighting in the center console adds a touch of elegance and comfort. With car finance rates from 9.9% APR, you can spread the cost of your car over a flexible term of up to 60 months. Call or visit Platinum Toyota Bath today to schedule your test drive of the 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross. Speak to our team about paint protection, tire and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.